One more time. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. My name's Taylor Loren and I hope you guys are all doing well. For today's video, we will be taking these very large oversized Nike Sherpa joggers and we're going to be upcycling them to the ASOS Design Oversized Borg Tote Bag. It's going to be right here. So let's do it. All right, so hey, what's up? The first thing we're going to do is attach the ankle bands and we're going to detach the waistband because we're going to use the lining of these joggers as a lining of our bag. So once we get this detached, we will see how much fabric we have to work with. So I just created a hole with my seam ripper and I am going to just cut the rest off. Wow. Now what we're gonna do is remove the pants lining from the sweatpants. We're gonna see the rising of the front and back of the sweatpants. After you remove the lining of your joggers, set that aside and work on one leg at a time when drawing out your pattern pieces. Here are the dimensions that I use for my pattern. I'm going to leave this here for you guys so you can take a snapshot for reference when you guys make your own bag. And this is what your pattern pieces should look like. I did the lining for our bag. It looks crazy because I had to finesse our sides, and we're going to attach our lining to our purse. So let's do it. Actually, I think that might make a pocket. Should I? Is it what that stressed me out? I think I'm gonna attach a pocket. So I'm gonna do that. We're gonna put the right sides together. We are gonna serge this side and we're gonna serge this side, and then we're just gonna cut this even. Then we're gonna attach this to the bag and I'll show you guys how to do that. You guys know when you feel like you have a good thing going and you know when you're about to fuck up and you should just let it be. I feel like this is this moment for me. I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys. When making this pocket, I did not know what I was doing. I just took a stab at it and went for it. So I took a piece of scrap fabric, folded it in half, and serged it together, and boom, I made a pocket. So now what I'm doing is cutting what seems to be like the center of my bag, and I'm just cutting a hole so I have a place to put the pocket, and then I'm inserting it with right sides together and I'm pinning all the way around. So when I'm done, all I have to do is push the pocket in, and then there I have a somewhat decent pocket. So I hope that explains it for you guys. All right, so I added the pocket and it didn't go as bad as I thought it was gonna go. Now we have a fuzzy pocket, and now we're going to attach our lining to our bag, and then we're gonna add our straps and be done. So now we are going to make our straps. We are going to attach our lining to the outside, and I'm going to use my serger. Now we have our two straps done. We're going to put these to the side, and we're actually going to sew together the side framing of it. So what we're gonna do, this is gonna be, this piece will be the bottom, this piece will be one side, and this piece will be the other side. I'm gonna attach these, and then we will do the front and the back. So now when we put it together, it's going to go like this. Yay! I'm gonna do the back first just in case I mess up. So I'm going to go along the bottom of our base, and then I'm going to sew up the sides once I have both the front and the back attached. Should I do it that way? No, I'm gonna do one side at a time. Just in case I mess up. Then I know what to do. I mess up a lot. Alright, so now that's done, you're gonna have a long tee. And we are going to attach the front part to the base. Take the bottom. You're going to line right sides together. And then you're going to serge all the way across. Alright, so now that we have our front and back attached, we are going to connect these sides. And then we'll be almost done. I feel slightly defeated, but I'm not gonna let this tote bag defeat me. I'm just going about it the hard way.
Now you're gonna place your tote bag in the inside of your lining with right sides facing each other. You want the wrong side on the top and the right side on the inside. We're doing this so when we flip it right side out, there are no threads showing. When pinning everything down, make sure you tuck your button strap in and pin that in place. You don't want your button strap to be on the outside, then you won't be able to get to it. It will be on the inside of the bag. After you secure your button strap into place, pin all the way around and serge. Make sure you leave a small hole so you can turn your bag right side out and then top stitch that hole closed.
Alright, so our bag is 18 inches wide. So what I did was I went 4 inches in to the left and into the right. It's probably backwards, but it's okay. I am tired and I just marked it. And I am going to just take a straight line up. Now I'm going to take my straps, try to make sure it has this shape when it's up. It goes like this. And I'm going to make it 1.5 inches. Okay, and then I'm going to pin it in place. Make sure I didn't catch any of the lining process of doing that. So then what I'm going to do is actually already looks kind of decent. I feel like it can be longer. I lied, I'm gonna make it 2 inches.
Finally, I get to sew our straps down. I'm using my sewing machine and a straight stitch. Alright guys, this is how our tote bag turned out. If you guys like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and share to all of your friends, and turn on your post notification. Just click the bell right there so you guys never miss when I post, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
I know you want me every day, not only when you're lonely. Yeah, you see, you think you know me, but you don't even know nothing about me. Yeah, you see my thick thighs when you look into my brown eye. You see my lips always commit you switch sides. You never know the devil in a disguise, so why don't you stand up, baby? Tell me,